What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew with BDAT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. I figured in this YouTube video we could go through some of the samples inside the Young AT4, which is a NBA YoungBoy inspired sample and MIDI pack. You guys get 20 original new melody compositions with their stems, and you guys get the MIDI that comes with them as well. So I haven't gone through, I haven't picked out the samples yet. I only picked out one because I was thinking about making a beat, but I wanted to first go through the sample kit together. So here's this one sample I picked out. But then there's also this. I like that one a lot. I've already made a beat with this one. So inside this one, we got a bass guitar. 38. Well, let's check out some other ones. This one's like that more angry type of like YoungBoy sound with like the mallet sounds or steel drums. So these are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. There's a total of like 20. So if you guys want to get this sample pack, I'll go ahead and put it down in the description down below, the link to it. I figured let's not do that. Let's cook up with these. Bow, bow. The drum kit I'm using is Enviral's Fractal drum kit. It's a great drum kit. It's available over at BDAT.com. Really nicely processed drums. So I'm just trying to make some drum elements around the beat or the melody samples that we have. I selected everything, put it in a mixer, Control Shift L. So easy peasy. Let's save this real quick. So I'm gonna grab the bassline MIDI from the sample pack, and then I'm gonna pick out an 808. Then once I pick out an 808, we'll kind of make the 808 pattern around that bassline melody. So here we go. So we kind of got like a general idea, but I'm gonna get rid of that MIDI now. Key this is in is E minor. That's like an additional helper. Alright, and that's how you guys can make an NBA YoungBoy type beat, and those were some of the samples inside the new Young AT sample kit 4 with the MIDI pack. And if you guys want the drums used, the 808 was from the AT Sound Kit 6, and the actual drum samples were from Enviral's Fractal Drum Kit. Links to everything is down in the description down below, as are the VSTs I used as well. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and check out that sample kit. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.
What up?